Okay guys, so I just got home from doing a ton of shopping. I went to IKEA, TJ Maxx, and Home Goods. It is now 5 and I've been out since 10. So I've been shopping my little heart away for this apartment. I want to go to Target. I need to get a Bluetooth speaker and a lamp and maybe some like decorative towels for my restroom. But before I go, I need to set up my bed from Lull. And basically what this is a bed in a box. A luxurious bed that delivers right to your door in a box, which is ultra convenient. And if you're like me and you're like a Renaissance woman and you like to do things yourself, so the fact that this delivered to my door, it comes in a box, I can easily take it out and unfold the bed and let it inflate, is like golden for a girl like me. So yeah, there's a queen size bed in this box, and shout out to Lull for sponsoring this video. You guys are awesome. This is very special. This is the first mattress I ever got on my own whim. I'm really excited to like take it out and see how this goes. I never got a bed that just came so compact. And again, shout out to Lull. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. It's so special. This is the first apartment that I'm ever furnishing on my own, so this was a wonderful gift and I'm so appreciative. I'm really excited to see how this goes. This is like new technology that I'm not used to seeing. Like all of my old mattresses had to come on like really big U-Hauls and 2 people had to take them out, so the fact that I can just get this out by myself is yes. So let me just show you guys my bedding area, and I kind of, sorry if it's dark, I don't have any lighting at the moment. Okay, so I had to move my bed frame over because I had to take some photos for the reel. So this gorgeous headboard is from Wayfair. I'll have all of the links down below in the description box. It's tufted and it's like velvet and it's this gorgeous rich royal purple, and then I have this slated bed frame. It's like aluminum, like a really tough heavy aluminum, and then it has these like plywood slates, and I'm hoping it's going to be sturdy. I got a bed. This is my dream bed, guys. My dream bed that I am putting together. They have the cutest graphics, by the way. Look at that. It's a jungle out there. Get some sleep. So about this mattress, there's pressure relief. So there's the memory foam evenly distributes weight and contours to the body. So to provide pressure relief for pressure points. It's temperature controlled, so the top foam layer is injected with a gel polymer that transfers heat away from the body when it's warm and allows airflow to cool you down. Spine and alignment lulls multiple foam layers, support and cradle your body to allow your spine to rest in a healthy position, which I need, y'all. I need. In motion control, the foam specifically absorbs movement, so if you're in the bed with someone, you won't feel like your partner or like pets or whatever. So this is how it looks inside. This is wrapped up. This is really condensed. And I think what I'm gonna do is just like roll it. Ouch. I'm about to put the mattress in the middle of the bed. This thing is huge. Okay. Come on. Okay. So there we go. Remove the first layer. Oh shoot, it's starting to expand. Can you guys hear it? Oh, it sounds so cool. It sounds like the ocean. Oh wait, no, it's it on the wrong way. It's not too heavy. Okay, so it did inflate quite a bit. I thought it was going to be flat, but it's definitely like sleepable. Okay guys, so it is the next day. Yes, I still have my moving fit on. I've done a lot. I went to Target, I went to Home Depot, I came back this morning. I finally set up my bathroom, and I'll show you guys in a minute, but I'm really excited because I'm about to make my bed. My mattress from Lull has finally, like, it's deflated 100%, not deflated, it inflated 100%, and guys, it's so comfortable. Yesterday it was like soft, but then when you sat down it kind of got like very firm because I don't know if the top part wasn't fully inflated or the bottom layer, or if it was just both, but now that I'm laying on it, it's like the plushness never ends. Like, this is so comfortable. And yes, it got way thicker, it's way higher, which I absolutely love. It's like a little bit higher than a normal like box spring, railing, and mattress, which I like because I'm very tall. I can fold my legs like this and my feet fall to the ground normally, so that's good. It would be a problem if it didn't. So yeah, let's get to making up this bed. I have to find all of the pieces to it first. Okay, so I never just put my sheets on top of my mattress just because like spills and all types of things are bound to happen. What's up?
Should I keep this for my room?
Put it in the thing and I'll tell you. You can tell. And then like even a couple times I've gotten my period overnight and I changed my bed, and you know, come to find out that, you know, blood got on my mattress. So to avoid that, I went to Target and I got this mattress protection pad, and this is by Sierra. It was on sale at Target. It's originally $50, but it was on sale for $35. This is actually a king because they didn't have any queen mattress pads on sale. But that's no problem. I'll just, you know, tuck it more. I'm hoping. And we're just going to put this on. No, it's not going to be too big. It's a little bit bigger, but it's not too big. It's more so big as far as like the width, not necessarily the length. I'm falling everywhere. So this is going to add some comfort as well as protect my mattress, and this is heavy duty protection, so spills, oops, rips, all types of things, this will protect my bed from those types of things. Okay, so now I have to add the sheets, and I have this satin champagne set that I picked up from Wayfair. This is by Bells and Whistles. I think this, yeah. So let's see. Really excited for this champagne color. I wish I would have washed these though, to be honest, before I put them down. Just because they're so much more comfortable after that first wash. and also to get these strong wrinkles out, but I don't know. I may have to end up washing the sheets because they have a strong smell to them. And I don't like strong smells. Ooh. What's going on? Oh, I guess I didn't put it on the right way. Sheets are on, they fit really nice. And now, to add, okay, this one doesn't smell as bad. Maybe if I put some like fabric Febreze on it, it'll be better. But I definitely do need to wash. They're not super soft, but that's no problem. What I like about these sheets though is it's more coarse on the bottom layer of like the flat sheet. So it's not going to fall off the bed as easily. And then I have this bedspread, which is gorgeous. I didn't show you guys, but this is Madison and Park. And it is so beautiful. When me and Michelle from Lock and On ordered this bed comforter, we didn't know that it was like, it's raised like faux fur. I know it's like coming off as just right on the camera, but it's gorgeous. We fell in love with it because of the pattern, but when we opened it and realized that it was like faux fur, we were so excited. This is like the perfect bed. Okay, so I need to actually tuck this sheet because this sheet is going crazy. It's going everywhere. Oh my god, guys. This is so comfortable. It's like a queen bed. Now for the pillows, I'm not going to use, well, as of right now, I'm not going to use the ones that go with this bed comforter. So I'm just going to use the satin pillows. And I'm really excited about satin because it's good for my hair. A little better for my hair. It's still not silk. And then I got these pillows from Target, and I think they were on sale. They're usually $30, but they were on sale for $20. And these are also, this is also by Serta, and these are just gorgeous, very comfortable pillows. And they, when you lay down, when you're done, they inflate. So, I don't know if these are going to be too small. Okay, no, they fit good. They fit perfectly. Now let's do this. Alright, so now we have our two pillows and we have Morgan in the corner. Hey.
Hey. She got this.
Oh, she's recording. Get out of there.
And she's okay, Granny.
So she has green, navy
This
blue,
looks so
lavender.
good. Look at my bed, Granny. It's so cute.
Oh, that's cute. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. It is. Her room actually has more sunlight, so you have, it has more natural lighting in here. You notice?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so when you look out that window, okay, she's looking across the.
I have more of the view.
Shades up there?
Huh?
Does she already have blinds up at that window?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was thinking of taking them off though.
Or just you can't.
So you can have people Toms?
No, so I can get my own.
I don't think you can do that.
Like my own curtain. Those are easy. You just pop them off.
As long as you don't damage them.
No.
When you take them off.
No. And then I got these two, like, they're kind of,
Can't you keep the blinds and just add some fabric?
True that. You're right. Hold on, guys. I have to record.
Okay.
And then I got these two pillows from Home Goods.
Oh, she got the chair.
These are by Rodeo Home. So I'll put these right here. And then in the front, I have this gold textured pillow. And this is just going to bring in all of the silver and gold accents we have in the room. Let me lay these down a little bit more. Oh, wait. I forgot I have another pillow. I was like, something's missing here. There we go. Now we're in the game. This pillow is also from Home Goods. So now we have the perfect layering here. It's so cute, so gorgeous. As a final touch, I got this purple throw from TJ Maxx. And I'm just going to throw this across the bed.